Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.3. According to 1.3 exercise, that is very important exercise, and this exercise there are the 5 types of the question which we will solve. The main topic of this exercise, that is not a simple quadratic equation, but it is in the reducible quadratic equation. Reducible quadratic equation, what does it mean? It's not in a quadratic form, but we can shift into the quadratic equation. We can shift into the quadratic equation. Then question is that, so it's looking like it's not in the quadratic. So how to make it quadratic? First of all, we want to try it to rearrange that one. So when we are trying to make rearrange, so shifting all terms on the left hand side, so what we will get? The first term 5x exponent 1 over 2. When we are shifting 7x raised power 1 over 4 on the left hand side, so what's change? Good, the negative sign. And minus 2 shift into plus 2 equal to 0. Now you can think about that's not in the quadratic form. So how to change into quadratic form? So first of all, tell me about one thing, that 1 over 2 or 1 over 4, which is the small number? Which is the number is a small value, 1 over 2 or 1 over 4? Good. 1 over 4 is the smallest value as compared to, smaller value as compared to 1 over 2. I can give you one example, simple. If that is 1 over 4, here I use the rough procedure. 1 over, here let, it's not make a rough process. I think we should have to make in the procedure of the question. Yeah. Let x raised power 1 over 4 is equal to y. Now I want to say that 1 over 4 is a smaller amount as compared to 1 over 2. Like this 1 dirham. 1 dirham, 1 over 4 mean 1 dirham divided into 4 persons. So how much get each person? 25 fils. Here 1 over 2 means 1 dirham divided into 2 persons. So how much amount can get the 2 persons? 50 fils. So 50 fils is greater or 25? So 50 is greater. So 1 over 4 is the smaller number. It means that you have to assume that when the smaller value is equal to y. But we need this. According to quadratic equation, what is the highest value? Yes, the highest value or highest degree is equal to 2. So when we want to make the 2 its degree, so taking square on both sides. Square. So here x raised power 1 over 4. So when you're taking its square, the power multiply by its power, here y square, and पावर को जब पावर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो 1 over 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, here is equal to y square. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. तो x की पावर 1 over 2 किसके इक्वल आ गया? x एक्सपोनेंट 1 over 2 is equal to y square. So अब हम इसको क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म में चेंज कर देंगे. If we assume that one, this is equation number 1. So now equation number 1, and this one you assume that one equation number 2, because after that we have to use this value. So from equation 1, from equation 1, x exponent 1 over 2 किसके इक्वल आया? y square. So what we have to write that one? 5 y square. After that minus 7. x exponent 1 over 4 किसके इक्वल है? Equal to y. Good. Plus 2 will remain same. Now tell me about that. Is that quadratic equation or not? Good. That is a quadratic equation in a variable y form. So what is the value of a? A, the coefficient of highest degree, degree 2, mean ax square, but here is value of y square. So what is the value of a? The value of a is equal to 5. Good. What is the value of b? Value of b is equal to minus 7. And what is the value of c? Value of c is equal to 2. Now there are two methods. If you want to write in the form of the quadratic formula, you can also write with the help of quadratic formula. But here it's also possible the factorization method. If I want to use the factorization method, so 5 2s are 10. First of all, I have to check that one. What is the product? Product is equal to 5 into 2 plus 10. Right? Central term S means sum is equal to minus 7. We have to find two factors. When we will multiply, then we will get the answer 10, and when we will take sum, then we will get the answer 7. So which are the two factors? Yes, good. 5 2s are 10. Very good. 5 multiplied by 2. So we will get the answer 10. And same, when we will 5 plus 2, then we will answer get 7. Satisfy the both condition? Okay. When satisfy the both condition, then how to solve this? This central term, make its how many parts? Two parts. First term will remain same, 5y square. Second term, we will make its two parts. So which two parts? 5 plus 2. Variable will be same. One thing you have to care about that one. Here what is the sign is? Minus. If there is a minus sign, so you have to write the both signs here, minus and minus. Why? Because here we need the negative answer, minus 7. Here minus into minus, plus, so 5 2s are 10. Minus 5 and minus 2, 7. अगर यहाँ पे हमारे पास sign plus 7 होता, then we will take the both are the positive sign. The both same sign. It means that when the product is positive, so the both sign will be same. अब दोनों sign same होगी, negative होगी या positive होगी, it depends on this sign. Sum की sign पे depend करता है. If the sum is having negative sign, the both sign is the negative. If sum is having the positive sign, the both sign is the positive. So 5y square minus, इसके दो पार्ट करने, two pieces of this 7y. So one piece minus 5y, then minus 2y plus 2 will remain same. You can check that first term same, last term same. We make the two parts of the central term. There are how many terms total? 4. If the 4 terms, then how many pairs? Pairs how many? First pair and second pair, 2 pairs. Good. When there are 2 pairs, so we will check that one. What is the common in the first pair and what is common in the second pair? What is common in the first pair? Yes, 5y. Good. So what is remaining here? 5y is taking common. 5 1s are 5. 1 we no need to write. Y square mean 2 terms of y. 1 term taking out. So what remaining inside y? What's remaining here? 5y पूरा का पूरा बाहर कॉमन आ गया. जब पूरा का बाहर कॉमन आ जाए तो आप अंदर क्या लिख देंगे? Only 1. 5y 1s are 5 1. If you want to check that you are right or wrong, तो दोबारा इस ब्रैकेट के बाहर वाले टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करें inside the bracket. If you will get this answer, then you are right. Like 5y into y, 5y square minus same 5y 1s are 5y. तो आपको पता चल जाएगा you are right or doing mistake. Minus. What is common here? 2. Good. Here will remain y. And what I said, when the negative sign taking common outside, so what change inside the bracket? Sign change. Here plus, so you will use the negative sign. And 2 आपके पास 1 है, and वो 2 हमने बाहर common ले लिया. So what is remaining inside? The same condition apply here. 1. Good. After that, as I told you that this bracket must be same. This bracket must be same. Equal to 0 is compulsory. Some students are doing mistake. They are applying equal to 0 here and also applying equal sign here. That's double equal sign out of rule. Equal sign आपके पास एक आएगा, या last में या start में. So y minus 1 and y minus 1 both are same. So we will take common. Y minus 1 taking common. What remaining here? 5y minus 2 equal to 0. So after that, first I remove this portion which I want to use as rough. So now I will explain the next one. Y minus 1 equal to 0, 5 minus 2 is equal to 0. Apply the both conditions. Y minus 1 equal to 0 or 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 equal to 0. So what is the value of y? Minus 1 shifting other side, 1. Or here 5y is equal to 2 and y is equal to, y is multiplying other side, divide. Good. 2 over 5. Is it our answer? Finish? No. Good. Why? Because our actual question is in the form of x. In the form of x. So we shift into y. Now we have shifted into y. Again we have to convert in the form of x. So now you have to write from equation 2 or put the value of y from equation 2. Put the value of y where? From equation 2. From equation 2. So what is the value of y from equation 2? The y is equal to x exponent 1 by 4. X exponent 1 over 4 is equal to 1. Here we will also write x exponent 1 over 4. Is our question is finished now? No. Actually we have to make the left hand side x must be single. Single means its coefficient is equal to 1 and also its exponent is equal to 1. We need that on the left hand side. So on the left hand side when you are solving that one, how to make x is equal to 1, exponent is equal to 1 because coefficient is already 1. Now we need x exponent 1. How? Good. What is in the denominator? 4. So we take its power 4 on both sides to cancel this 4. Like x exponent 1 over 4. Here we will take its exponent 4 and here also 1 exponent 4. As we know that power से क्या हो जाती है? Multiply. So we will write x exponent 1 over 4 multiply by 4 is equal to 1 exponent 4 is equal to, mean 1 multiply itself 4 times. Then what we will get the answer? Here 4 se cancel. X is equal to what we will get the answer on the right hand side? 1. Good. Half portion solved. Now the same we have to apply on the other form. Good. X exponent 1 over 4. Here it exponent 4. 2 by 5. If its power is equal to 3, 1 over 3, so what we will do that? Cube, taking cube on both side. मीन हमें डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी टर्म होगी उसे फिनिश करना है. अगर 1 over 4 है तो टेक इट्स एक्सपोनेंट 4. 1 over 3 है तो टेक इट्स एक्सपोनेंट 4 ऑन बोथ साइड. 1 over 5 है, फिफ्थ रूट है, so take its power exponent 5 on both sides. उसके बाद क्या हो गया बेटा? x 1 over 4 multiply by 4. Here 2 exponent 5. 4. 2 exponent 4 and 5 exponent also 4. 4 से cancel, so x is equal to 2 exponent 4 is equal to, mean to multiply itself how many times? 4 times. So 2 2s are 4, power 2 हो गई. Third time 4 2s are 8. Fourth time and 8 2s are 16. तो ऊपर आ जाएगा 16. Denominator 5 exponent 4. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are third power आ रही है 125 and 125 multiply by 5, then what we will get the answer? 625. Good. So what is the answer of our solution set? As I told you, you have to write in the form of solution set in the curly brackets. So one value is equal to 1 and the second value is equal to 16 over 6 to 5. That is our answer. Solution set के अंदर you have to check that your value by putting here in the place of x and you will get the answer. If the right hand side 0, then it means that you are absolutely right. If you are not getting, the answer is equal to 0, but your procedure is right. So such type of solution is called extraneous solution. वो हमारे पास बाद में आएगा जब हमारे पास पावर उसकी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, then we will say that is an extraneous solution. Hope all the question is clear. This form, what is the name of this form? Reducible quadratic form. Mean it's reducible है but quadratic form में से convert किया जा सकता है. It's not in the quadratic form but quadratic form में change किया जा सकता है. और इस बात का हमें पता कैसे चलेगा? इन दोनों में हमेशा स्क्वायर का फर्क होगा. जो स्मॉलर टर्म होगी when you will take its square, then you will take into the bigger term. Okay? After that I am giving you one assignment that you have to solve and then we go on the next type. Students, this is the time of assignment. Question number 4 for group A, solve now, and question number 2, that is group B, will solve it now. I will give you the little hint of that one, that how to make same. First of all, for group A and group B and A both will be solved, but at this time group A will first solve this one, then after that this. Check the both question statement is same. So the first step, as I told you, you have to rearrange. The first, you have to write the highest power on the first value, x raised power 2 over 3, shifting this term on this side. So what will become? Minus 15 exponent 1 over 3. One thing keep in your mind, when you are shifting this term on this side, so only the sign of the coefficient will change. Exponent not affected. Okay? Only the sign of coefficient will be changed. Here plus minus. So plus 54. It will be remain same. Good. Equal to 0. Right? Again let what is the smallest term? 2 by 3 or 1 by 3? 1 over 3, because denominator is same, exponent change. So 1 over 3. X exponent 1 over 3 is equal to y. If you are confusing, write its exponent in the calculator and get the answer. 1 over 3, when you will get 1 divided by 3, then you will get the answer 0.33. And when you are dividing this one 2 by 3, then you will get the answer 0.66. 0.66 means 60 fills, 66 fills. 33 तो कौन सा बड़ा होगा? 66. तो ये आपके पास बड़ी वैल्यू है. After same, let then taking square on both side. नेम ऐसे दे देंगे, जैसे इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 का नाम दिया था हमने पहले, तो इसे आप इक्वेशन नंबर 1 का नाम दें. इसे 2 taking square. Square on both sides. Taking square on both sides. So when you're taking square, x exponent 1 over 3, 1 over 3, so you can write it here, multiply by 2. Here 2. Then what you will get the answer? X exponent 2 over 3 is equal to y square. 2 over 3 की वैल्यू भी आ गई, 1 over 3 की वैल्यू भी आ गई. From equation 1 and 2 वही बना दूं. Okay, then you will write that from equation 1 and 2. Then what is here? There is no coefficient, you have to write just y square minus 15. X exponent 1 over 3 है, क्या आएगा? Y. Good. plus 54 equal to 0. I have to change this in the quadratic form. After that you have to solve it with the help of factorization method. Factorization method possible. 54, that whose product 54, and when you will sum, then you will get the answer 15. Our quadratic formula up to you. Both are correct. Are completing square because he is not bounding us. So its solution is now your. Question number 2, I want to give you the hint of that question also. The first, we have to rearrange. When you rearrange, what is that? 2x exponent 4 shifting on this side, 9x square and plus 4 equal to 0. Here which term is the smaller? X square. Good. So we assume that one. Let x square is equal to y. That is equation number 1. That is equation number 2. As we assumed before that one. Then again taking square on both sides. And taking square on both sides, same sentence you have to write here, same equation. So x square and its square here and here y square. Power से क्या होता है बेटा? Multiply. So 2 into 2, 4, and here y square. Now x raised power 4, its value change into y square and x square change into y. From equation 1 and 2, जैसे यहाँ बताया था, यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. From equation 1 and equation 2, you can write that putting the value of y and y square in equation number 1. Both are correct. So 2 x exponent 4 change into y square minus x square change into y. Good. Plus 4. इसमें कुछ चेंज आएगा? No. Now it's changed into the quadratic equation. Now after that, that's your work to solve the question. But एक चेंज आएगा, जब लास्ट में वैल्यू निकाल लोगे तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर दिया गया है. Then after taking square root, then you will get the value of x. But इसके लिए हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? Taking cube on both sides, जैसे इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर किया था. Now after solution, and if any confusion, then ask me. Let's start to solve. Thank you very much.